Mr. Camera, just laying on that bed, on that soft, cushiony bed, until someone picks you up and decides to turn you on and make pictures. What do you do when you're not in use, Mr. Camera? Mr. Polaroid? What do you do? Does it bother you being a guy and being the color pink? It would bother me, 'cause people might think that well, never mind. It's okay, Mr. Polaroid. I still care about you. You have a lens. That's a very nice lens. With 3 times optical zoom. That's amazing. And you have a beautiful flashlight thing. Whatever that's called. I-735. Is that how old you are? You don't look that old, Mr. Polaroid. You look very young, very beautiful. I love you, Mr. Polaroid.